everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial Millennials YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can react to Facebook posts with likes or, for example, emojis on the Facebook mobile application. So firstly, just open Facebook and pick a post that you would like to react to. Then you can either just quickly press like to just thumbs it up, or you can press and hold on the thumbs up button to select a reaction. For example, I just selected the love reaction, and I can select other emojis. This is a new reaction added by Facebook, and I can also react in different various ways, such as sadness or anger, and so on. So that is basically how you can react to Facebook posts in different ways. That is all I have for you today. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave any of your questions in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!